Today we're going to clean this window that has vinyl on the outside. This vinyl is fairly new. This building was remodeled about 2 years ago, so all of this vinyl is new, is in good shape. It is not peeling or breaking in any way, shape, or form, so it is good for me to just go ahead and clean right on over.
And just like every other window, we are going to start by wetting the window. We'll make sure that you do cover the entire area, but not touch the top seal so that you don't have runoff.
And then we just simply squeegee over it, just like normal. You're going to need a blue or a towel to wipe the windows, because they will run. They will hold water, even though right now it looks like it's not. You do want to gently go over them. But each of those had just a little bit of water at the bottom. Same thing over here. So gently clean that up. And then we're going to go back and detail around the window.